Let's see if I can move this in closer because I'm crying. I mean, can I get a close up on my own tears here? Oh my god, I am crying, crying. Oh wait. Oops. I dropped the onion that's making me cry, cry. It's fake, okay? That's what I think of this new Siraj Raval, la la la. This kid is not the first person from Columbia University to be involved in just utter fakery and nonsense. I should know. I graduated from Columbia University back like before he was born, probably. Well, that's a slight exaggeration. But seriously, there was this journalist, Jonah Lerner. What was his name? Just look for it here. Jonah Lehrer. Who was sort of like the first great Columbia fake who was just a little too close to my identity to piss me off. Both Jonah and I have a lot of things in common. Like we went to Columbia, we worked in a neuroscience lab. A big difference being I didn't go on to a life of fame and stardom, probably because I wasn't ripping off other people's stuff, claiming it as my own, and catapulting myself into stardom, which is what this kid, Siraj Raval, who also went to Columbia, did. And now he has a video out apologizing and saying, whoa, developers out there, you're my real heroes. Let me read off like the names of people whose GitHub I ripped off. So I'm not just here to bitch about this one kid. There's just a problem in general that the computer world and programs we've made have just made it too easy to copy and paste and plagiarize. I'm an editor on Radiopedia. I see this like every freaking week. And, it just seemed kind of odd to me. But I said, hey, the world's a big place. There are a lot of people writing for Radiopedia or trying to write for it. So, the fact that they copy pasted is probably just a reflection of their poor English and misunderstanding, and they wanted things to turn out right. Less forgivable are the people who write professional articles, research articles, and publish them and have plagiarized from us. But even less forgivable, I was in a class recently where people got a lot of money to come, and they plagiarized, and I caught it because they actually, believe it or not, there was someone stupid enough to plagiarize me, something I had written, and turn it in as their own work in the class. The computers are just making it so easy for people to copy and paste. I guess they just can't help themselves. So, I'm going to cry some tears for all the people like Siraj Raval who, now feel terrible that they got caught. Basically, they got caught. Siraj Raval has this video out apologizing. I guess we're supposed to feel oh so badly. And I'm sure a lot of people will. They'll look at mistakes in their own life and say anyone could make a mistake. And that's true. And if he does, as he hints to, feel suicidal, I do think he should get professional help. That's what doctors are for. That's what the people in my profession are for. People who went to school for like decades and trained for decades and have very little fame, unlike this kid who put up like, I don't know, a bunch of YouTube videos ripping off other people's stuff and made like $250,000, over $250,000 just on this terrible course he made. So this is a rant, but there is a point. The point is that computers have made it too easy to copy paste, but watch out because they've also made it easy to track this stuff. And there are people out there who are not stupid and who are watching, and they can go and look up and figure out when you're copying. It happened in a class I was in about artificial intelligence where people were supposed to do something of their own, and someone copied something I wrote, and I was able to track it. Watch out. Computers also make it very easy to catch you.